Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to discuss and show you how we use the nth element, okay, in the Playwright. So like we have here one application. This is the orange HRM application, right? So now if I go here in the input box, user input box and password input box, okay, and if I type here input, you can see we are getting three input fields, one, two, three. So if I look here, so first input, this is the hidden, okay, and if I'm talking about the user input field as well as the password input field, so user input field is coming at second position, means second input is related to user input box. Third input is related to the third, like in for the password input box. Okay, now Playwright will provide a features to identify the locators by using nth. Okay, so how we do that? So just call the page dot locator and here pass the input and then call the fill methods and I am passing the admin. So if I use directly the input field, it will give us the errors exception, right? Because there are three input box, same input box is available, fields are available in the application page. Okay, so let's see what will happen and what error we will get. So we are getting three input fields, right? But now if I want to go with the and enter the text into the second input field, means second one is the user input field, right? If I want to enter the text on the user input field, then we can call here nth equal to position. So this is the started from index 0. So index 0 is the first input field, index 1 will is the second input field, right? So input nth equal to 1. Now this will drill down and go to the second input field and enter the user. Let's see. You can see the input field, user is entered into the input field. Similar type, we can enter the password, okay, and now here password is the second input field. That is third input field. So third is index 2, we need to pass, and this is the password. And let me call the page dot locator, and this is the button, okay, and button is only one. If I pass here the button, you can see there is only one button on the page. So if you want to pass here the nth, then we need to pass here 0. 0 means this is the first element. Then call the click method. Okay, URL is navigated. Enter username password and you can see it clicked. Okay, so this features nth and its index number we will use only when we are getting the common locators, means if you are creating locators that is giving you a multiple result, multiple elements result, then you can apply the index number. Otherwise we need to always create a unique locators which will identify our element. Okay, so here there is a value we can pass the index and it will start from the beginning like 0, 1, 2, 3 like this. So if we are passing here the positive numbers, it will start from the beginning. Okay, and also we can go from the last element. Okay, so last, you can see last is the third. So here if we want to pass the index number, negative index number, so if I pass here the -1, so -1 will start from the last, right? Last, first, last. So first last is the password field. Okay, second last is the username. So now we need to pass here. Let's see, and you will see the result. So -1 is the last index, -2 is the second last. Similar type, if we pass the negative numbers, it will identify the locator from the last. If we pass the positive numbers, it will start from the beginning. Okay, 0 is the first index, and if we talk about the negative, -1 is the last index. You can see this is working. So we can apply and use the nth features, nth element, by using nth and its index name number. Okay, thanks for watching.